Hey guys! So the 7 Wonders of the World list was compiled way too early, since there are so many other amazing places in the world besides these architectural wonders like the Grand Canyon and Victoria Falls. But our video isn't about that. Scientists are still racking their brains about how a few places were made naturally. As you saw from the title, we're talking about 10 unusual places in the world that can't be explained by science.
God's Stone. On the territory of Saudi Arabia, an 8-hour drive from its capital, there is a mysterious rock formation called Al Nasla. This stone is 9 meters high and 8 meters wide. However, the most interesting thing is that the boulder seems to be cut exactly in half with a very sharp huge saw, and the line is very smooth. Moreover, both sides of the boulder do not fall on each other and do not fall to the ground. Although the base of both parts is not the widest, the stones are held in place, as if they are held by some mysterious force. And that's not all, because the rock carvings and hieroglyphs covering part of the surface of the stone gives these blocks even more mystery. Scientists still do not understand the exact purpose of this stone and even its origin. Darveza. Darveza is the name of a crater in Turkmenistan that has been burning continuously for over 40 years. The sinkhole, 69 meters wide and 30 meters deep, is located in the center of the Karakum Desert, covering about 70% of the total area of the country. Turkmenistan ranks 4th in the world in natural gas reserves, and the Darveza crater is located in the heart of the gas field in the Akhal region, about 270 kilometers north of the country's capital, Ashgabat. Although the origin of this phenomenon is still disputed, the story is considered true, according to which Soviet geologists drilled wells of gas exploration in 1971 and stumbled upon an underground void. Fearing the harmfulness of the gas coming from the resulting hole, the scientists decided to set it on fire, believing that the gas would soon burn out. However, the gas has not burnt out so far. This unique place is nicknamed the Door to Hell, or the Gate, the Lights of Hasdalen. Almost every night, residents of Hasdalen in Norway observe a mysterious phenomenon over which scientists are at a loss to guess. At night, bright dancing lights appear over the valley, which flicker, changing their shape, and then disappear until the next night. Scientists have been carefully studying this phenomenon for decades. Since the first appearance of the lights in the 1930s, the inhabitants of the valley began to make various assumptions and theories about the origin of this anomaly. According to one theory, strange lights in the sky appear due to the fact that the lake in the valley is radioactive and emits radon particles into the atmosphere, which decays in the sky, forming bright flashes. According to another theory, lights appear in the sky due to the fact that Hasdalen is full of sulfuric acid.
Full of shit.
According to scientists, sulfur interacts with water. As a result of the reaction, sparks appear in the sky. However, there is still no single exact answer explaining this phenomenon. Karachay Lake. There were many nuclear facilities in the USSR, many of which were dangerous and poorly planned. Near one of these former facilities is Lake Karachay, which is located in the Chelyabinsk region, Russia. There are more radioactive materials in this lake than anywhere else on the entire planet. It is so dangerous that you can die within an hour if you just stand next to this lake. The area around Lake Karachay is more radioactive than even in Chernobyl. In 1957, an accident at the Karachay nuclear power plant provoked an explosion, as a result of which radioactive particles were released within a radius of 23,000 kilometers. As a result, it was decided to fill the lake with concrete to avoid a catastrophe. But despite this, the area still remains very dangerous and polluted. West of Venezuela, a thunderstorm is raging over the Catatumbo River, which almost never stops. The thunderstorm starts every day at 7 p.m. and lasts for 10 hours. This phenomenon is repeated annually for 260 days. No one knows the exact cause of this natural phenomenon. According to the basic theory, these lightning bolts are somehow connected with uranium in the nearby swamps, but scientists are not sure about this. According to scientists, a lightning in Catatumbo occurs as a result of special forms of mountains, over which streams of warm mountain wind and cold from the Andean mountains collide. Then the winds combine with the rapidly evaporating mountain river and methane from all fields nearby, resulting in thunderstorms. Nevertheless, this is not the final version, since the lightning of Catatumbo is much more mysterious than it seems at first glance. For example, one day in 2010, a thunderstorm inexplicably stopped earlier than usual, and it would seem there would be no more thunderstorms. But after 6 weeks, a lightning began to sparkle again in the sky of Catatumbo. Since then, this phenomenon has been repeated ever since. Mountain Votovara. Votovara Mountain is often called Russian Stonehenge. This mysterious place is located in Karelia. The mountain and its surrounding area are a very eerie sight. Dry twisted trees, stone blocks of strange shape, century-old pine trees grow here, whose height can reach only up to 1 meter. There are practically no animals and birds, and the lakes are uninhabited. Unfortunately, the mystery of Votovara has not yet been solved by scientists, but there are many rumors and theories about this mysterious place. Some say that once upon a time, sorcerers communicated here with evil spirits and sacrificed to the ancient gods. Others say that this is a special point on Earth where time has stopped. Still others say that elves and trolls live here. There are many theories, but no one really knows exactly what this place is. Starting in the 1930s of the last century, travelers began to find strange stone balls in some impassable corners of Costa Rica. The size of these objects ranges from a few centimeters to several meters, and the maximum weight reaches 20 tons. It would seem that there is nothing unusual in these boulders, but scientists were amazed by the perfect shape of the stones, which gives the impression that the giant's hands rolled smooth and dense snowballs out of the rock. In the jungles of Costa Rica, there is a large number of such objects, about 300 spherical stones grouped into 50 pieces, and often they are laid out in the form of geometric shapes. There are 3 versions that explain this phenomenon. Supporters of the first version claim that this is a creation of human hands. Others refers to the activity of volcanoes. Still others associate it with an alien invasion. The waterfall under the funny name Devil's Teapot is located in Minnesota and is one of the most mysterious places on Earth. This waterfall is interesting because it takes half of the current of the river into the unknown. In a certain place, it is divided into 2 streams. One stream goes straight into the upper bowl, and the second is unclear where. Scientists do not understand exactly where the streams end, where the water gets to. Scientists have tried to add paint to the water to observe which part of the stream will eventually turn red. However, the attempt was unsuccessful. According to the laws of physics, water should get somewhere anyway. Water flows can be tracked even if they pass underground. However, in the case of this waterfall, the laws of physics apparently do not work. It is unclear what is the reason for this phenomenon. Maybe it's a glitch in the matrix. In general, we can only guess. Be sure to write your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, then like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so as not to miss even more interesting facts from the world. Thanks for watching, and check out some more of our previous videos on the channel.